In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off protected view in Excel if Excel keeps opening files in protected view and you want to disable that setting. I'll walk you through the exact process in a simple and clear way. Protected view is a security feature designed to help keep your computer safe when opening files from the internet, email attachments, or other locations Excel considers potentially unsafe. While it can be useful, it can also slow you down if you regularly work with files you already trust. To begin, open your Excel file. Once the file is open, look to the ribbon at the top of the Excel window and click the File tab. This will take you to Excel's Backstage menu, where you can access the program's settings and preferences. From there, look over to the left-hand panel and find Options. Click on it, and an Excel Options dialog box will appear. Inside that window, look again at the panel on the left side and select Trust Center. This section contains Excel's security and privacy settings. After clicking Trust Center, move to the main area of the window and click Trust Center Settings. A new dialog box will open. This is where you can adjust how Excel handles files that may be flagged. For extra protection in this new window, look for the Protected View section. Once you're there, you'll see several checkboxes related to how Protected View works. To turn it off, uncheck the option that says Enable Protected View for files originating from the internet. Then uncheck Enable Protected View for files located in potentially unsafe locations. Finally, uncheck Enable Protected View for Outlook attachments. These are the three settings that control whether Excel opens those kinds of files in protected view. If you remove all three check marks, Excel will stop using protected view for those file types and sources. Once you've unchecked those options, save your changes by clicking OK. Then, when you return to the previous window, click OK again to confirm and close everything. And that's it. You've successfully turned off protected view in Excel. Just keep in mind that disabling this feature reduces some of Excel's built-in security protections, so it's best to do this only if you're confident that the files you open come from trusted sources. If needed, you can always go back into the Trust Center settings later and re-enable any of these options.